Yes, I'm at the room tour. So this is like my door front. We got here. Okay. We got my whiteboard, and this is the corkboard. But yeah, it's the whiteboard. And this side is like a little display. It's something like this. If it's like that, very cute. Then turn the side is my like little poster. I have bits and bits of poster everywhere, so like yeah. So then when you go in, you'll see the bed, like in the window. Oh, wait, wait, let me fix that. You see the bed just by the window, and I'm on the second floor, so technically you can see everyone downstairs and you can see everyone there. What are you doing downstairs? Yeah, I have this big Dojejong poster. It's NCT Dojejong. Then right here is my desk. So on my desk is usually like my bag and my spare pillow, then my towel, and like whatever interesting. I'll do a close-up later on. And that's my wall of like K-pop. There's a mirror there, so like that's like the wall of whatever. It's really cute though. I decorated this like earlier this year, but I regularly change it so that I can change it to here. Those that I don't put there anymore, I'll put here. And those are like the more ones that I like really like. It's like really pretty, like goes with my whole thing. And it has like a long mirror, and this one's like the one that I got from like concerts, but some of them I don't know where it went. So these are the ones that I managed to keep throughout the whole concert. And then my big closet, and then my cat, what's it called? Cat carpet. And when you turn this side, it's like a little cart. Downstairs is where my bags are at. It's overfilled, I know, I'm trying to find a place for that, but yeah. My books, and this is like the tote bags and the bigger bags, and my, okay, my laptop charger, my laptop bag, and my laptop. This is the 17 mat thingy, and then my calendar. This is a kitty, Hello Kitty that's been demoralized by Rika. Yeah, like my little 17 whatever, my what? Season greetings and whatever like bigger stuff is here. And my, yeah, my back K-pop stuff. The little pop marks one journal and the candle wick. The pop mark here and like a little candle is vanilla scented. That is the phone holder, but yeah, I really use it, so I'll just keep that for now. And then yeah, that's the miniature plan. This came with the shelf, so I put it here. And then yeah, there's like my tickets. There's like all my tickets. This 17, 80s, 61 is there. Is that tickets? Yeah, and then I have no idea where my Stray Kids went. But it's probably in one of the bags. But yeah, those are albums. Downstairs is an album. These are like those like extra albums and like extra photos and stuff like that. And the posters are all inside, so don't mind that. That is Enha and Treasure. This one is 17, and this one is NCT and 60. Yeah. Then on top, you know, 80s, NCT, Stray Kids, TXT is this row, and then my national. That's my school cert. Yeah, graduation cert. This is my outfit. I use this outfit. But yeah, that's basically it. Slay.